This is Mission Control, the link between Earth and the vast mysterious expanse of the cosmos. For centuries, people have been fascinated by the night sky, looking up at the stars, galaxies, and the vast unknown that lies beyond. We've built observatories, launched satellites, and sent out probes to try to find out more about the universe. But despite all our advances, we've always had the feeling that we've only just begun to understand. It looks like we've just found something that could completely change how we understand the universe. It's unsettling and defies everything we know. The James Webb Space Telescope, an engineering feat launched with the goal of expanding our understanding of the cosmos, has made a discovery unlike anything we've seen before. And this isn't just any discovery. What it captured is so strange and unexpected that it's challenging the very laws of physics. The telescope picked up this object on the fringes of space, and it doesn't fit into any of the usual categories for celestial bodies. It's not a star, a planet, an asteroid, or even a black hole. It's something else entirely, and we're not sure what. At first, this anomaly showed up as a faint shimmer in the telescope's field of view, distant and seemingly unremarkable. But when scientists started looking into it, they realized they were seeing something pretty special. This entity is different from any typical object in space, in that it doesn't behave like matter as we understand it. It's not solid or gas, as you might expect. Instead, it seems to be fluid, changing shape and form in ways that no other physical object in the universe has ever done. And that's just the start of it. This anomaly has an eerie dark glow and emits energy signatures that even the most experienced astrophysicists can't make sense of. The energy doesn't match any of the known frequencies emitted by stars, black holes, or even exotic phenomena like neutron stars. It's as if it's broadcasting from a whole other set of rules, ones we've never encountered before. But it gets even stranger. Its gravitational pull is unpredictable. One moment it's bending light around it in ways that suggest an immense gravitational force. Then in the next, it seems to have no gravitational influence at all. These inconsistencies have led scientists to wonder if we might be dealing with a form of matter, or even energy, that humanity has never seen before. But it's not just the object's physical characteristics that are puzzling. It also interacts with its surroundings in ways that are equally puzzling. Normally calm and predictable gas clouds nearby are being drawn towards it in erratic and unpredictable patterns. The way light bends and refracts is pretty strange, which suggests that this object is warping space-time itself. But despite all these strange things, one thing is for sure: this is not a black hole. It doesn't match the profile of a black hole in terms of size, shape, and energy emissions. So what is it? What could possibly explain this strange, shape-shifting, reality-bending object? The answer could be something we've never even thought of before. It might show that new unknown forces are at work in the universe. For centuries, physics has given us a way to understand the universe. It's a framework with clear laws that govern how matter and energy behave. But now, this object is breaking the rules. It challenges our understanding of gravity, light, and even space-time itself. And it might even make us think there are forces at work in the universe that we don't know about. Another thing that makes this so intriguing is the way the object moves. This anomaly seems to move deliberately. Unlike the planets, stars, and galaxies that follow predictable paths dictated by the gravitational forces of the cosmos, it appears to be making decisions and changing its direction without any apparent cause. Could it be something like an artifact, maybe a relic of some ancient cosmic intelligence? Or, even worse, could it be something active, something watching us? Some scientists think this might not be a natural object at all, but could be a product of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. This might sound like science fiction, but the evidence makes us think it could be true. The object's unusual energy patterns, erratic movement, and seemingly intentional behavior suggest it has been designed. It has a purpose, which is something no natural celestial body should have. If it is in fact an artificial construct, the implications are huge. We could be on the verge of discovering ancient alien technology, maybe even remnants of a civilization that lived billions of years ago. Or, even more frightening, we could be witnessing something active, something alive, a probe or signal sent by an extraterrestrial species still out there, watching us from the far reaches of space. Adding another layer of intrigue, the object seems to be transmitting signals. These aren't the random bursts of energy we pick up from stars or the faint echoes of cosmic background radiation. There's a pattern to these signals, even if it's faint and hard to spot. Despite everyone's best efforts, there's still no clear way to decode them. They don't correspond to any known data format or language. Some experts even suggest that they might not be signals at all. Could they be a form of communication so advanced that we just can't get our heads around it? Or could they be a message encrypted in some form of cosmic code, waiting for the right key to unlock it? Whatever these signals are, they're becoming more and more prominent. When the object was first spotted, it was just a tiny blip in the vastness of space. Now, it's becoming more active, emitting energy at an increasing rate, as if it's waking up. If this object has been inactive for a very long time, could this be the moment it starts working again? And what happens next? It could send out more signals, move closer to our solar system, or, even more disturbingly, start interacting with other celestial bodies in ways we can't predict. The potential here is huge. This could be the start of something huge, something that affects the whole universe in ways we don't yet understand. The thought of this object being part of a larger cosmic event has forced scientists to think again about everything they thought they knew about the universe. Are there more of these objects out there, waiting to be discovered in the dark, distant corners of space? If one exists, there could be a whole network of them, scattered across the cosmos, each with its own set of properties we don't understand. This discovery has got the scientific community buzzing. Some researchers are saying that we need to study this object right away because they think it could help us understand new areas of physics. Some people are saying we should be careful. The universe is full of forces that we can't control, and if we're not careful, our curiosity could have some unintended consequences. There's also a growing concern that our very act of observing the object might be triggering a response. As we collect more data, it seems to change energy levels, as if it's reacting to our attention. Is this just a coincidence, or could there be something more going on here? Some scientists have even suggested that the object might be sentient, or, at the very least, that it has some form of awareness. The thought that we might be interacting with an intelligent entity is both exciting and a little scary. Could this be a probe from an advanced civilization, or something even more out of this world? Whatever this object is, and it has the potential to completely change how we understand space, time, and reality itself. Its unpredictable nature, strange interactions with its surroundings, and potential connection to forces beyond our comprehension suggest that we are on the verge of discovering something truly groundbreaking. It could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, or even the origins of the universe. But there are also some pretty big risks involved. If this object is evidence of advanced technology, whether man-made or naturally occurring, it could also be a sign of impending disaster. Messing with space-time is risky. If we don't get it right, we could cause a major disaster. The very fabric of the universe could be at risk. There's a chance a black hole could form, or even a ripple effect that destabilizes the delicate balance of cosmic forces. As we keep an eye on this anomaly, one thing is clear. This discovery is set to transform the future of space exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope has already opened doors we never thought possible. And while we don't know what the future holds, there are plenty of opportunities for discovery. This object could be a game changer in our understanding of the universe. But it also shows us that we need to proceed with caution as we venture into the unknown. What does this discovery mean for us as a species? It makes us think about where we fit in the cosmos and what we thought we knew. For centuries, we've assumed that the laws of physics are universal, that the behavior of matter and energy is predictable. But this object challenges those assumptions. It suggests that there may be forces at play that we don't yet understand. The implications of this discovery go way beyond the world of science. They affect the very nature of existence, intelligence, and even life itself. Are we the only ones in the universe? Or are there other civilizations out there that have risen and fallen over time? Could this object be a warning, or even a glimpse into what the future holds for intelligent life? Or could it be a sign of something that's yet to come? Something that could change the face of the cosmos in ways we can't even imagine?